was recently asked how I ended up doing what I do today. Today being 2026, where I'm a fabric designer with Riley Blake Designs. I have a YouTube channel and I sell patterns in my Etsy shop. Well, it has been a long and winding road to get here, so let me see how succinctly I can tell you my story. I started painting as early as my mom would put a paintbrush in my hand. I got a degree in marketing at Penn State University. I graduated in 1990, and most people wouldn't believe this, but I sold college textbooks for a few years. Fast forward 1993, I had my beautiful son, and we moved from Maryland to Oregon. That is where I currently live. I've left twice, but this is definitely home. So when my son was little, mid-90s, that is when scrapbooking became the huge craze in the craft world. And I had a cute little baby, so I became a huge scrapbooker. That led to me designing a font and eventually starting to do some paid designing for EK Success in about 2000, and was a contributing editor for Simple Scrapbooks magazine for a few years, writing articles and also traveling a little bit and teaching. So much fun. Fast forward to 2004, and my husband and I were splitting up. We were in Maryland at the time, and I decided I really wanted to come back to Oregon, where my son had lived his entire life. He was 10 at the time. We moved back, and I had a decision to make. Was I going to continue to try and build my own business, or was I going to rely on my marketing degree and get a more traditional job? So I had the luxury of being able to build my business and work from home. I did my very first licensing show in 2004, and that is when I started licensing my art for all kinds of things and not just working in the scrapbooking market. I loved it, kept doing that. In 2008, I started teaching about the business side of that business. So I was creating art and licensing it and also doing some teaching. Oh my gosh, I look like a baby. Nothing makes you feel old than looking at a video that you recorded 15 to 18 years ago. But I digress. Anyway, so I did that for quite some time. I was teaching art licensing for about 7 years, but then I had another big dust up in my life. My dad was getting sick. He had Alzheimer's. My parents had moved here. It was getting super stressful. Something had to give, and I didn't want it to be my health. So I let go of that teaching. I kept licensing my art, and for a brief clock tick, I wrote a book about how to deal with family members that have dementia or Alzheimer's, and you can still find that on Amazon if you are unfortunately dealing with that in your family. 2016, I decided, no, I want to keep doing the art licensing, but I was a bit burnt out, so I started working with an agent. So he was doing the marketing part of that for me for a while. 2019, I started designing fabric with Riley Blake Designs. Absolutely love working with that company. And it was actually one of their salespeople. I was at an event with her, and she's like, you should really work on your YouTube channel. Get that building, and it's great for helping people get to know about your fabric. So that is how I started doing this. Now my main focus is all fabric and sewing related. All of my art is actually hand painted with watercolors. A lot of people don't realize that. And then I scan it, put it into the computer, mix it around, and then Riley Blake does their magic with it, and it ends up in stores. And it took a little bit of trial and error on YouTube, and I've discovered that I basically attract people like me. I love to do easy sewing projects that are quick, give them as gifts. I can use them in my home. I have also started sharing information and patterns for people who want to turn their creativity into a business, take their sewing machine, and make some money. And so I do teach a little bit about the business side of sewing and selling. So you can find that on my channel as well. In addition, I have my Etsy shop. It is all digital downloads, patterns. There's an ebook about sewing and selling. Lots and lots of things that you can find there. So that is my story, and that is how I ended up doing what I do today.